Okay, so this was the second flight of the day, and I accidentally bought a 2S battery instead of the normal 3S for my second flight. It was quite windy, so I was a bit concerned. Then I thought, well, if I stay low, I should be okay. So that seemed to be working well for a bit, as you'll see. But having made the effort to change out the ESCs, which aren't really reliable with 3S, I'm really enjoying. I've got 20 amp ESCs on this rig, and it has no trouble with 3S at all. Mind you, I don't think I'd go any higher. I've heard reports of people trying 4S and watching headlights smoke and stuff like that. So, flying down the beach, recording this on the DVR, which is below. In Australia, of course, I'm flying line of sight as required. So I'm going down the beach, and first pass not too bad. The onshore breeze tends to push me into the side of it. So even though I'm flying close to the cliff, I'm okay. So at this point I go out to sea a bit and do an inside turn in towards the cliff. When I was less experienced, I used to do this and crash into cliffs. Now I've learned to give myself enough clearance and I get away with it. So heading down the coast again. As you can see on the GoPro, I look as if I'm much closer to the sea than I am. But I still feel I got enough room. So another turn, and I'm making it okay, pushing up into the wind again, staying out to sea a bit, but no problem. When you can hear the motors, you can hear it's a bit of a grind for it to move along. And turn back again for the final run where it all goes slightly wrong. So I'm watching this thing, and I'm realising I'm getting fairly close to not being able to see it. And then first warning that I'm slightly out of range. Bit confusing, pop it up higher to try and compensate. And then the wind pushes me back. Again, if I'd been flying 3S, I'd have had the power to keep moving out to sea. But in this case, I'm losing it, and it's going down, as you can see from the DVR, and then I'm down on the beach, and the DVR is recording nothing. So a bit of a walk down the beach, and then find it still recording. So a bit lucky to get away with that. Could have been a lot worse. So that's it.